Dogs and Nexus. Here we are at the first annual Muddy Bloody Shake and Bake Street Ball 3-on-3 tournament at WAP Paintball in Zamora, California, right off the freeway. In fact, right there is the freeway. This is a great location. Julie Cope, how's it going? So, game one, we have Richard Wilcox as the head ref.
Why?
Down here on the left, we have Nexus, and we have Dirty Dogs. This tournament you have to play. With this tournament,
Dogs, you ready?
it's 3-on-3.
Nexus,
You have to use shake and bake hoppers. So here we go.
Nexus, you ready? Guns back. 3, 2, 1.
A lot of people using pump guns over here. This is Dirty Dogs right here. Oh, and it's encouraged to yell for your team, your other team, and who you're against. The coaching is not only allowed, it's encouraged. Oh, he's moving up. He's moving up to the 50. He got there. We got one guy back here using a Bob Long MVP pump. This guy's using, I think, a CCM. This guy's using an old school. That's old school right there. That is. That's dirt. Oh, okay. It's an auto cocker pump right there with a 100 round hopper. Got a guy over here. This is Dirty Dogs on the right. Looks like there's still 3 alive. Got one guy. I got Gordo back here in the far left corner. I don't know who this guy is over here, and I don't. Ooh, barely missed him. Thanks, Julie. I appreciate it. Exactly, that's how you learn the most. Julie had a good point. She said she likes that coaching is encouraged, and that is how you can learn, because you can learn how to work the bunkers and everything. Everybody, give me a thumbs up. I got 1 thumbs up. I got 4 people watching. See, there we go. We got coaching over here. It's encouraged. Cheering for your team, giving false information, giving right information, whatever you want to do. Oh, nice move over here. Woo. Got a paint check over here.
On his arm. Clean.
Rest of the clean.
Left 50 still hot. I mean, left 50.
Woo.
Left 50's looking my direction.
Hey, somebody come up that right tape! You gotta do something on that right tape!
Left 50 still shooting me.
There's Chaz right there with the matching JT goggles with an MVP from Bob Long. Nice little battle here, a little pump battle. Going back and forth.
Right 50's on me, and we got left side on me. He's moving to the left tape.
The communication's key, guys. You need to communicate whenever you're playing. Let's go down here and see what.
On my mirror.
There's Richard. Let's go down here and see what Gordo's doing. Hello, Roberto. I don't think I'm going to play. Let's see what this guy's doing down here. Gordo, he's playing with an auto cocker pump with a CCM pump kit. Gordo's making. Oh, and he's hit. Barrel plug. Again, it's 3-on-3, so there's 1 kill. Look at these cool old school bunkers. All these. Oh, he's making a move.
Check yourself, bud.
You're already hit, dude!
Hey, you're both out. You both come out. Check your backside of your arm there.
After you shot me!
No, bud. No.
Turn around, let me see you.
Hey.
Just cool down, okay? We don't need this.
All right, so that's the first game of the first point. So it's a race to 4 deal. I'll come back and do some more live video later. Looks like Dirty Dogs took that one. So it's 1 game to 0.
First shot.
Oh yeah.
So,
As I already came.
see you guys later.
Dude, you come out, boom, I shot. Hey.